Another area and volume question. So we've got two parallelograms. The length of each side of PQRS is 2 times the length of each side of ABCD. The area of ABCD is 5 square centimeters. So what is the area of the other parallelogram? So the first thing I'm going to do is recognize that when they're similar, they're going to have the same sides or ratio, but not the same area. So we can basically, you'll see later in the question, but we can set the areas equal to each other. But what we do know is that ABCD, I'm going to label WL for the lengths and widths, but we know PQRS has 2 times each side, so 2 width and 2 length. And then there's another thing we know, that the area of a parallelogram is length times width. So I'm going to go ahead and write this out, length times width, but we know for the area of PQRS, it's going to be different because the length and the width are multiplied by a factor of 2. So this is going to be 2W times 2L, which is equal to 4 times length times width. So we can set this to equal area. We're given length and width already. So I did 4 times 5, which is the area of ABCD because we're given what length times width is, and times 4, and that is equal to 20.